Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete a pin that you've posted on Pinterest. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. Then open the pin you want to delete. After that, tap on the three dots icon and then select edit pin. Now scroll until you can find the delete this pin option. Tap on it and then select delete button to confirm your action. And that's it. This is how you can delete a pin on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.